services. We'll be right there. It's action time!
Right beyond the water upon the land lies a pretty city, small but grand, full of fun adventures every day and lots of friends who like to play. But it won't take so long until something goes wrong. It's time for heroes, call the heroes, see these heroes on their way. Fiona puts out every fire soon. Polly Polly's car looks out for clues. Where calamity crawling past her cast, his troubles though won't ever last. 'Cause when things go so wrong, our heroes are strong. It's time for heroes, call the heroes, see these heroes on their way.
Heroes of the City. The Monster Truck.
Publicity, Kara. That's the key to big sales.
What's publicity, Aunt Betty?
Something to get customers to come in, like banners and signs and free cookies. Oops, I forgot the balloons. Kara, can you sit here and make sure the birds don't eat my cookies? I'll be back from the party store in just a couple minutes, okay?
Okay, but I was just wondering in my head if maybe it would be all right if I could sorta have one?
Oh, sorry, sweetie. Those cookies are for customers only. But I'll make you some later. Now, promise me you'll watch that plate.
I promise. Hey, Birdie, no swiping. I can't really blame him. They smell yummy. A teensy nibble wouldn't hurt, just to check the taste. Mmm, scrumpalicious. That's a lot of cookies. Nobody would miss just one teensy one. Or two. Or three. Oh no, they're all gone. Aunt Betty will be really mad at me.
I got the balloons. Thanks for watching my What? Kara, how could you?
It wasn't me. Somebody took them.
Which somebody?
Not anyone we know. A stranger. A golf cart with a scary voice.
What's this about a stranger? Kara says a stranger stole some cookies from her. The beast.
Who's a beast?
A scary stranger. Golf carts aren't usually scary, Kara.
But this was a big golf cart.
How big?
Really big, like a truck.
What did the little girl say?
A big truck threatened her.
Monstrous!
That's right, a monster truck.
Really?
Monster
The beast.
In our town?
Now, everyone.
This is an emergency. I'm calling emergency services.
Emergency services? Yes. Oh, I see. Over and out.
There's been a robbery over at Betty's flower shop.
We better hurry then, Polly, because it's action time!
Getting ready for the party
you know what happened then? And there was a really big truck. And then there was this monster truck. And
All
this
right,
scary
calm
thing
yourselves. What's the scoop?
A big red snarling monster truck stole a plate of cookies from Kara.
Is this true, Kara?
Yes, and he had yellow glowing headlights and flames shot out of his pipes. Whoosh! I told him to leave the cookies alone, but he just laughed and pushed me.
Brute!
Kara, you were very brave to stand up to such a big bully.
Wow, I'm a hero.
I suggest we all keep an eye out for this intruder. If you see him, alert emergency services immediately.
Very good idea. I'm right with you, right?
Sweetie, I feel horrible that I left you here to face that bully. I'm just glad you're safe.
I shouldn't make everyone worry about monsters, but I can't tell Auntie what I did. I'm sure they'll all forget about it soon.
Yeah, you know what happened then? And then was a big, really big truck. And then, then there was this monster truck and this scary thing. And...
Has anyone spotted that monster truck?
Nothing yet, Betty.
Same here. Nada.
Imagine a ravenous vehicle loose in our city, waiting to strike at our desserts.
We must keep our headlights peeled for this villain, yes? See? Benny is ready for this thief. A mushy pie to hurl at him if he shows up again.
It's him!
Yo! Yum! My favorite flavor, and delivered right to my mouth.
Folks, this monster truck has made us so skittish that we're turning on each other. So for safety's sake, I want everyone to leave the monster truck hunting to us.
What's your plan?
Fiona, Diggsy, and I will build a trap on the edge of town to catch the monster truck.
Yeah, great idea. Let's do it.
Until we've caught this mysterious monster truck, we insist that everyone stay at home. That's deep enough, Diggsy. Polly, the tarp. And now, to draw that cookie-stealing truck into our trap, a plate of yumptious goodies. Thanks, Diggsy. But you go home while Polly and I wait at the emergency station.
Golly, where is everybody? Weird. Sleeping at work all day sure makes a guy hungry. Ooh, lucky me. Help! Help!
When is everybody going to realize there is no monster? Doesn't anyone else hear that? I'd better go look. Robbie! What? Are you okay?
Except for the mud. It's horrible. Who put this hole here?
The monster trap! Oh, Robbie, I'm so sorry. This is all my fault.
Well, I'm starting to sink, so please get help. Oh, and a glass of milk, too.
Come quick! Robbie fell in a trap, and he's sinking.
Kara, this is very brave of you to go outdoors during this emergency.
I'm not brave, 'cause there is no monster. I made up the whole thing.
Kara, Robbie is in trouble because of your fib.
Oh.
Well, we'll deal with that later, Kara. Right now, we've got work to do.
It's action time! We're here, Robbie. Now wrap this hose around you.
I'll sit down here. Oh, thank goodness you came when you did. I ran out of cookies.
Let's get you back to town and clear up this monster mess.
Yeah, you know what happened then? And then...
Listen up, folks. There is no monster.
I don't believe it.
No way!
Had.
Do you have something you want to tell everyone, Kara?
Okay, here goes. I made up the monster so that Auntie wouldn't be mad at me for eating all the cookies.
I think we've all fibbed a few times. I once ate all the ice cream and blamed it on my brother.
Yeah, and I once tracked mud in the house and said the dog did it.
Be that as it may, it's still wrong to lie. Because a lie is like a fire. It grows and grows until it gets out of control.
I'm really sorry I scared everyone. I promise never to fib again.
I'm so proud of you for telling the truth, Kara.
And I'm glad that dreadful monster truck isn't real.
I have one more more thing to say. Don't forget to visit my Aunt Betty's flower shop today.
'Cause my big sale is saved.
Fiona, if I didn't know better, I'd say Kara's monster story may have been the best publicity Betty ever had.